evening, so you all need to be alert for that if you're in any of the flood-prone areas. It's the Rockingham Radio Network and strong thunderstorms. By the way, if you're listening to us in Kiowa County, Colorado, you'll have strong storms through 5:45.
The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wallace County, southwestern Sherman County in northwestern Kansas until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles north of Sharon Springs, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Wallace and southwestern Sherman counties. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Sherman and Wallace.